massacring, abduction, arbitrary arrests, forced disappearances, cracking down on all decent voices in Uganda was the damniest idea that has been implemented by the government of Uganda. Shame upon you. Uganda has given you everything for over 40 years. You still feel entitled. The country has nurtured you from nothing to something. You have more than what it needs. You have more than what you need. But still creeping on power. Why? To you, the people of Uganda, you have the authority and the capacity to push this government out. I understand you already voted it out. They declared themselves. Constitutionally, you have a right to put it out because the Constitution has been raped. It has been raped, defiled, but we are still sitting on ourselves. No, we got to stand up. We got to stand up. Don't sacrifice Kyagulanyi because he has already sacrificed himself to stand against the dictator. He has done everything possible. Then it's upon you, Ugandans, to do what it takes to regain your power. Uganda belongs to all of us. Uganda belongs to everyone. It belongs to our children and grandchildren. It is worth fighting. We must stand without failure. I know it's very hard, but we began this. We have to put it to end. To you men in uniform, we share the same country. These are our brothers. These are our sisters. We must not behave as if we are living in heaven or we are not seeing what is going on. But before you, I'm talking to the people of Uganda. A failed revolution is very deadly and dangerous to men in uniform. This should not fail. We must stand up. We can do it together. We can put an end to this dictatorship. We voted Kyagulanyi, but someone else was declared. We still have time. We can do it as a collective responsibility. I mean, we can stand up together. If we were divided, we are finished. But if we come together as one, regardless of the religion, regardless of the tribe, regardless of whatever differences that we have, we can put them aside and decide to stand up for what is right. It is worth it. It is worth it. We can do it. We have to regain our freedoms. We are simply saying no to human rights violations. We are simply demanding to be human. Why would someone be arrested or killed because of a different political view? Why? We are in a political party dispensation where one has to decide which party he supports. And the role of the government is to keep the freedoms of the people because they are not given by the government. These freedoms are godly given from Eden. A man was created independently. He thinks the way he wants. So what is my crime to support Kyagulanyi and someone else? The time for lamentation has been ended. We are no longer lamenting. We are opening the book of actions. We have to act now as there is no tomorrow because there is no tomorrow. Our future has been robbed. The Constitution has been thricely raped, if not defiled. What else are we having now? Our lands, our parents, our brothers. We who can still talk or speak or act, I'm calling everyone to act. Wherever you are, act. We have to remain democratically in the process of changing the government. Protesting, it is constitutionally shown that we have to, and we are obligated to do that. It is our constitutional right to do that. Be it how or how, but we chose the peaceful side. And I'm telling you, I can assure you, we are going to get there. Only when we decide to do it. This is not a matter of if, it is a matter of when. We are past time. We must act now, as there is no tomorrow. Because like I say, there is no tomorrow. Enough is enough. We have to put a full stop to this. Let everyone act. Today, there was a local government elections, but the low turnout came as a result of the declaration of presidential results. People are voting something else, and the Byabakama declares what he wants. We have to regain our freedoms. Let's not surrender to this clique of the people. Let's not surrender because it's what they want. Like Chagulanya has posted, they want us to surrender the local government and other posts to the NRM Nini. We are saying no, and we mean it.